Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a repository within the GitHub and how we can upload our files within that repository, and finally how we can copy the link and add the link within our final report. So at first go to any web browser and simply search for GitHub login, then go to the sign into GitHub. Then you can simply type your username or password here, or you can log in or sign in with the help of Google account. So I'm using my Google account to sign in within the portal. So here we have signed in within our GitHub account. So simply go to the create repository, and here you have to give name for your repository. Let's suppose we are using project as our repository name, then we can add some descriptions for our project, and then here keep these all same, add the readme file from here, and the gg node you can simply search like any programming languages, like as I am uploading this file, this contains python code, so I will add the gg node as python here, and then simply click on the create repository. So this will create a project repository here. So here you can see our project repository is created, and we need to then click on add file and just click on the upload files. Here select the choose your files, and I have my files within this zip file. So I'll simply select this zip file and click on open, and the zip file is uploading here. So the uploading is completed from here. Now click on the commit changes. So it will process our files and finally added to the repository. Here is our GG node. We have our readme.md here, and the file we have just loaded is right here. So simply you need to just click on here, and you need to copy this particular link, and then go to your report, and then type the GitHub link, and then simply paste, and then hit enter. It will automatically convert the link to a clickable link,